Getting back to our roots and tradition indeed proves to be a healthy and smart choice. Today, in this episode, we will talk about our classy cast iron cookware. Welcome! In Asia, particularly China, India, Korea, and Japan, there's a long history of cooking with cast iron vessels. Cast iron cookware was especially popular among housemakers during the first half of 20th century. It was a cheap yet durable cookware. But sadly, in the 70s and 80s, cast iron cookware was replaced with Teflon coated, light-weighted aluminium non-stick cookwares, and it quickly became the item of choice in many kitchens. The popularity of cast iron cookware is gradually picking up globally as non-stick coatings raise health concerns, especially when the coating comes off releasing toxic chemicals. So, what is a cast iron cookware? Cast iron is a group of iron carbon alloys with a carbon content more than 2%. Cast iron's ability to withstand and maintain very high cooking temperatures makes it a common choice for searing or frying, and its excellent heat retention makes it a good option for slow cooking recipes and baking as well. Let's look at some of the benefits of cooking from cast iron cookware. On number 1, it's a long-term investment. The cast iron cookware is heavy duty and long-lasting when properly maintained. It will not only last a lifetime, but this is a legacy that you will share for generations. The more you use it, the better it gets with age. So more usage, more seasoning, and a better looking cast iron pan. Number 2. Cooking with cast iron cookware keeps your family healthy, as there are no toxic coatings and it achieves a non-stick surface over a period of time with proper seasoning. It requires less oil for the food to be cooked in. It also adds a dietary iron to our food. Cast iron cookware can leach significant amounts of dietary iron into the food and keeps your family from iron deficiencies. Number 3. It retains heat well and our dishes will remain warmer for a longer time. Number 4. It's a multi-purpose cookware. It can handle a wide range of tasks and can be used on a stovetop, in the oven or over a grill, and even on an induction cooktop. A dish can be initially fried on the stovetop and then transferred into the oven to finish baking. Number 5. It provides consistent temperature. Heat is distributed evenly across the bottom of the pan and maintained throughout the cooking process. It gives you the special browning in your shallow fried dishes. Here are some tips to be remembered while using a cast iron cookware. A greatly seasoned cast iron cookware protects the cookware from rusting. It provides a non-stick surface for cooking and reduces food interaction with iron of the pan. So, what is seasoning? Seasoning is a process by which a layer of vegetable oil is applied and cooked onto cast iron. It gives your cookware that classic black patina. Seasoning forms a natural, easy release cooking surface and helps prevent your pan from rusting. Most cast iron cookware comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil. However, re-seasoning it is an ideal choice before first use. Please follow the clip to season or re-season your cast iron cookware. Some other useful tips are: avoid leaving your cast iron cookware to soak in the sink for long. It may result in rusting. Also, do not leave it wet after washing. Dry it with a towel or heat it up and brush some oil. A little care and maintenance will help you cherish your experience with cast iron cookware. It's worth every penny and every effort it costs. Let's also look at some of the disadvantages of these cookware. First, it's heavy and requires muscle strength, making it difficult for the elderly and weak to handle it. 2. Requires maintenance after every use to avoid rust, that is, to keep it dry after every wash and brush oil on the surface and handle it, etc. 3. It's not ideal to cook food with acidic ingredients. It wouldn't cause any problem if the cooked food is immediately transferred to another container. 4. It may not distribute heat evenly if the size of the burner is smaller than the bottom of the pan. With all its wonderful benefits, the downsides of it should not keep us from bringing home this wonderful cookware. Thank God for the wide variety of choices available in the market. There is an option for every kind of cooking. Let's have a look at the wide range of cast iron cookwares available in the market. Sort your vegetables and stir fry them. Browning your fish or meat in these skillets will be very satisfying. Which Indian kitchen can function without a kadai? Go for these cast iron kadais for an healthier cooking. Cast iron grilling pan for grilling your bread or meat and fish. Throw away the health hazardous aluminium bake pans and bring home these healthy cast iron baking pans. A cast iron dosa tawa which comes in different sizes is a must have for those thin crispy dosas. Please note that it's ideal to have 2 different tawas for chapatis and dosas. What is more, there is cast iron appam pan for appam lovers too. And the paniyaram and unniyappam chatti for those mouth-watering sweet and savory snacks. Even pizzas in a cast iron pan. And the most important tadka pans for seasoning your dishes. And how can we forget the most look forward to and the mouth-watering biryanis? Look at these sturdy biryani pots. Here is a recipe of yam stir fry, fried in my favorite 8-year-old iron skillet. Believe me, the more I use it, the better they got.